Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just decided I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. Do I know how to run one? No, not really. Do I know what I'm doing with the camera? No, not really. Do I understand anything about it? No, but that's okay, because we're gonna have fun doing it anyways. So, me and my wife went out, and we decided we wanted a bigger boat. Actually, that's a lie. I wanted a bigger boat. I have a bigger boat now, but a little 14-foot aluminum V-hull boat is a great little boat. I've taken it a bunch of times. Brought it home with me from Kansas back to Utah. And it's a great little boat, but we got a 10-month-old. Now, a 10-month-old ain't gonna be able to go on there. So I decided we need to find a different boat. So I scavenged all over the place on KSL, on Facebook Marketplace, and I found one for $600. And it's this one. It is a 1982 Galaxy. It has the monstrous 3.7 liter in it. It is the Alpha 1 drive. It has a fish finder. It's kind of old and antiquated. We'll be replacing that. Looks like it needs to have the baffles redone. They're all cracked and corroded and definitely need trim sensors. Definitely needs brand new trailer lights. But other than that, it's really not bad. The seats, they kind of look terrible, but you could sit on them, so that's not a problem. I am going to be replacing them, hopefully this year, if not next. But for right now, I'm going to be replacing, at least pulling out these 3 bench seats here, so I can get in and do a little more work on the engine in here. So, why don't you come along with me? We'll go through this journey, and I'll fumble my way through it, and you can be with me. And if you have any tips, tricks, or understanding better than I do, let me know in the comment section. Because, let's be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'm gonna fumble my way through this. And if you have a good tip, trick, or idea, I won't say no to it. And that would be much appreciated. Alright, I can't even remember what was in here. Oh, hey, look at that. So we'll set that to the side. Looks like we got a throwable floaty. Put that to the side. Hey, forgot we had skis. So I got skis. I am definitely not going to be using these because every time I either try to ski or try to do something cool on the water when I'm getting pulled, I get hurt. And I don't want to get hurt anymore. So it's probably just going to be a fishing boat. We got I think these are Scotty mounts for downriggers. I could be wrong. They could be cannonball, not cannonball, cannons, I think cannons. But looks like we got another propeller, so that's always nice. And I don't even remember the name of these. Side buoys, I guess. Lovely little wasp nest, so that's great. So I'm gonna finish tearing this apart and pulling everything out, and I'll be back with you. All right. Oh man. There we go. Come on. All right. Looks like we've got a myriad of screws holding this down. So I got to figure that out. Looks like we got a bunch of Torx and a bunch of Phillips So we'll get the Phillips done, we'll get the Torx out. At least get this one out. Oops, let's go that way. Okay, well, that sucks. There we go. Oh, I thought those were even long enough to go to the floor, so that's good. Switch over to our Torx bit. And if you're wondering, this is a T20. I don't think you're wondering. You're just like, just do your job. Next one right there. Gotta figure that out. Okay, any more. Guys, just think that one right there is giving us trouble. Oh, it's not giving us trouble. It came right through the floor. Yep, right through the floor. Oh, two of them. Cool. That flop. Look at that. And a bow door. I mean, definitely has seen better days. Let's see. Got some garbage bags. And hey, everybody needs some of these. And oh, this is a, come on. Here's a 15-pound anchor. That's over there now. Oh, hey. And I even got a light. Look at that. Thought I was going to have to buy a new one. Okay. Well, this one is severely rotted. So this one's probably going to be more difficult. We'll see what we can do. Hey, Brooke. One right there, looks like. Oh wow, that's definitely seen better days. definitely seen better days too. Right there. I think there's one right there too. Oh, that's just broken wood. Okay. Let's see if I can just wrench this thing out, huh? Ugh. There we go. All right. Oh, wife's home. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna take these out too. Of course. Let's see if we can get it from this side. That worked out. But oh, I missed one. Where's it at? There's one I missed. Backrest gone. Pad gone. Okay. So we should turn you now so you can see over here. There we go. You guys tell me if you can't see. Oh, definitely can't see because my butt's in the way. On this side. Yeah, there it is. I'm just holding it on now. Where's that? Oh, there it is. Into the side? What? That's weird. I need something hard. That's probably hard enough. No, it is not. That's okay. We'll deal with that later. You gone. Okay. Okay, well, now the seats are out. I didn't know how much wood rot there was. And looks like we got a couple boards in the middle. And a couple, actually this side here is a whole lot more solid than I thought it was going to be. And I think this side's solid, so I just think just the middle here, I mean, famous last words, but I think I get away with just doing the couple of the middle boards here, and we should be okay. But we'll see. I'll kind of decide that as we go on. So I gotta strip this carpet off, see what all kind of mess there is. I'm not going to go back to carpet though. I kind of want to do like the foam C-deck or the EVA foam. I kind of like it. It looks a little cleaner. Holds up longer than carpet does. And I've had a couple of boats with carpet, and I'm just not a fan of it. So here's the engine. It is the big 470. As you can see, I was kind of laughing because I was going through the electrical system. The good old voltage regulator that always fails and burns itself up. And they're about $500. So I'm not going to replace it because it looks like they jerry-rigged it. And they got a voltage regulator on the alternator. Looks like. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to go through that and figure that out. And I'm not 100% sure if I need to go through the carburetor. I will try to at least get it to run sometime. I was told by the previous owner that the fuel pump, the manual fuel pump here on the engine doesn't work, but they put in an electric one. So they gave me an electric one, so I'm just going to replace the electric one. I may get froggy and decide to fix the manual one, but I really don't think I will. It's just more work than I want to put in right now. Plus, I mean, I could buy 5 or 6 electric ones before I have to even spend the money on one. I will be doing all cables, so I'll be doing cables, plugs. I may do distributor cap, but I don't think I will, just because I don't want to have to mess with it personally. And then we'll see what happens there. But right now, I'm gonna get the battery. We'll grab my brash brush, and we'll clean up these ends here, and we'll see if we can get power to other places. I do remember he was talking about how he thought that the 90 amp starter fuse was bad. I did find it here. I guess it was like this. It was hooked up to this wire here that goes to our trim. I don't know why it's hooked up here, because everything I've looked up, this 90 amp fuse actually is supposed to be on the starter. So I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna read a little bit more into it. I did buy a brand new one. I also did buy a 50 amp push fuse, just in case, because I mean, everything I've worked on that's had fuse issues, it's usually that, you know, those 2 big fuses. So we'll go from there. That's decent. Of course. And then this side. Again, that should be okay. Okay, I'll remove that one. A little close. I guess I should. Well, you know what? We'll hook the fuse up to where it was, and we'll go from there, I think. figure that out. There it goes. Actually, that has a rubber snubber on the top of it. So I bet you it needs to go like this. And that goes on top of it, so the snubber can be on there. Okay. Can I cover that? Grab my ratchet. Get this the right size though. Oh hey, look at that. It's not the right size. And 1/2 inch it is. Okay, then we bring that up. Guess I should get it. That can come on. There we go. I think that'll work better. There we go. That kind of looks more professional, right? Is this little one a 7/16? It is a 7/16. Okay, that's tight, that's tight. Okay. Let's plug in a battery. Oops. Duh. Okay. Let's over here the ignition. Pull the key out. Maybe my pocket will let me have it. So he said, oops, he did change the ignition. So I've never. Of course. Story of my life. Didn't grab the keys. Motor's on. Oh man, that makes me happy. Oh, that makes me so happy. So I think the battery's probably shot. He said he's had it since 2019. So I mean, it's 2024 now, so it's 5 years old, so probably should get a new one. But I cannot complain. She's trying to turn over. Okay, well, here's the question. I know what I should do, and I know what I shouldn't do. But I kind of see if she kind of sputters for me. Just kind of make sure, you know. Let's do it.